baby Chapi.
Yes, preparations for the big celebration is on. Mutlu, would you like to tell us something about today?
All right, we're giving a concert to celebrate our new deal with the Shopalots. I'm excited!
Thank you, Mutlu. Now we are going this way to talk to one of our heroes. Neşe, do you want to tell us something about the deal?
The Shopalots won't be coming to our world any longer and will stop disturbing us. And from this day moving forward, we will live in peace with them.
We are happy, Neşe. Thank you for everything.
We should call Minnie and Manny.
Of course. Now I am heading towards some of our other heroes. Our friends from the pink planet, Minnie and Manny. Minnie, Manny, what would you like to tell us about today?
This new deal we made with them is awesome. The Shopalots are going to keep their promise.
Agreed! I don't believe they will ever come to Earth again.
We want to thank you both very much, especially because you did a lot to help us fight the Shopalots.
Actually, we did this together. Neşe and Goochlu helped us a lot.
Is Goochlu going to join us? After all, the Shopalot danger is gone now, so he can show us his real identity. Isn't that right?
I really want to find out. He's a welcome addition to the team.
Thank you so much. Our celebration preparation is on. We shall meet again at the celebration party, everyone.
Hello, everyone! Today, we are celebrating our deal for peace with the Shopalots! We have a wonderful concert for you, but first we have another surprise!
What?
We've just received a letter from Goochlu. He is going to show us his true identity after the concert today. That's right. And now, we'll start the concert with our first song. 1, 2, 3. Everything is going great today. Tra-la-la-la.
Manny, what's going on?
The moon security system is giving a Shopalot warning.
Huh? But that can't be. There must be a mistake.
Let's go check in on it.
I feel so much love for the world and for all my special friends.
What's happening here?
It looks like our ship is being targeted.
I don't get it. Who would do that to us?
Oh! It's the Shopalots!
We signed an intergalactic deal. They can't do this. From Minnie to Shopalot Council Chief. Do you copy? But why? We didn't do anything to break the deal. No, Neşe didn't either.
to me. There must be a mistake.
But why would Neşe kidnap a Shopalot baby?
They're ruining the security system.
They're trying to demolish our spaceship.
Ah! Let's get going.
Oh!
Huh? What's going on?
All right, it's time for Goochlu to do his show. All right, Goochlu, we're waiting for you. Goochlu has a special message. I have this urgent thing that came up. I need to go do something. I apologize to all of you.
Oh no, Minnie and Manny must be in trouble. Put the medallion on your neck and let the colors fill the world around you. With the power of the pink planet, sparkle now becomes the word. Goochlu? Hey, shouldn't you be on that stage telling everybody your true identity?
I can do that some other time, Neşe. We need to see what's going on with the moon's security system.
All right then, let's get into my spaceship.
They're attacking us with full force!
Our ship cannot take all these beams. We're gonna have to use our maximum power.
It's already at maximum power!
Ah, no way!
I can surprise them with sudden maneuvers!
They're still after us.
Ah! Ah! Ah!
Oh, I guess they went away.
All right, we lost them. Ah!
The ship is tearing apart.
We should use the beam machine.
Ah! Manny! My brother!
Minnie, are you all right?
I'm fine, but we've got to find Manny.
What happened to you?
Shopalots attacked us, and our spaceship got destroyed. Then I lost Manny.
But how did that happen? I thought we made a deal.
Ugh, these Shopalots, they always ruin everything.
Let's worry about the Shopalots later. Let's find Manny.
Let's use the invisibility shield, Neşe. Shopalots are everywhere.
Okay, I'm on it. Here we go. We can find Manny now.
Manny must be here somewhere.
I don't think so. These are just regular Shopalot ships.
We should check over there, too.
All right.
He's not showing up.
Where are you, Manny?
The Shopalot ships are multiplying and fast.
Why did the Shopalots break the deal, Minnie?
They're blaming everything on Neşe.
I don't get it. How on earth did I break the deal?
They say you kidnapped their baby.
What?
And that you have it on Earth.
That's not true. Why would they think I'd ever do that?
I know you didn't do it, Neşe.
So what should we do?
Let's land on Earth to prepare. And I will tell everyone on Pink Planet about this.
All right.
Don't worry too much about it. I'll seek help on the Pink Planet for the Earth.
Keep us updated about Manny. Let us know, okay?
All right. Take care, you two. See you later.
We better rest before the big fight finally begins.
You're right. See you later.
it's so cute. Look at it.
Whoa, you baby. Are you smiling at us? Oh.
Was I this cute when I was a baby?
You were the cutest.
Hey, hey, are you all fed and full? You are so cute. You are so cute.
Who's the cute one?
Our new sibling, Neşe. Look, it's baby Chapi.